Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I share fried short ribs with honey and black pepper. Ingredients include short ribs, onions, shallots, peppers, garlic. Do the short ribs first, as it takes time to thaw and marinate. Thaw it with salt water. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. Wait for it to thaw before processing. Chop the ingredients. Thinly sliced shallots. Cut off the stems of the chili. Mince the garlic. After the short ribs are thawed, take them out. Cut between bones. Soak the short ribs in soda water for half an hour, which can effectively soften its fascia. Deal with it in half an hour. After half an hour, scoop it up and drain. Press dry. Pour off excess water. Seasoning. It weighs about 800 grams. Add a teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon pepper. 1 tablespoon Maggi fresh soy sauce. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. Half tablespoon sesame oil. Half tablespoon oyster sauce. Half tablespoon dark soy sauce. Half tablespoon Shiaoxing wine. 2 tablespoons flour. Mix well. At this time it will feel sticky. Add water little by little and wait for it to absorb slowly. It's enough to feel moist. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix well. It is recommended to marinate for more than 30 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Can be increased or decreased according to personal taste. pinch pepper, half tablespoon soy sauce, half tablespoon oyster sauce, half tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shiaoxing wine, half tablespoon black pepper minced. The seasoning is ready, and the short ribs can be made after marinating for half an hour. Heat up the wok. If you use a non-stick pan, don't heat it, it will shorten its life. Once the wok is hot, turn off the heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Shake well. Add short ribs. Turn to medium and low heat. Spread out the short ribs. Frying for 2 minutes on each side is enough. Too long, the meat will become tough. Move the wok so that it heats evenly. Turn off the heat, pick them up. Turn to medium and low heat. Turn on the fire and the ingredients until fragrant. Then add the onion and fry until cooked. Onion turns translucent, add chopped black pepper. Sauté it. Add ribs. Add the sauce and stir well. Turn off the fire and serve. Today's fried short ribs with honey and black pepper is completed. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thank you.